everyone is already here, and I am last, of course, because that's the way I roll. You can see the beautiful view out of the window here with the ocean mist. Very nice. Let's have some. I did a restaurant.
All right, good morning, everybody. How we doing? Everybody have a good time last night? Yes, sir. We'll get that done. If you have any questions throughout the day, we've got a decent number of VRP people around the room. We've got anybody that is wearing a Ryker shirt or green. I guess that's just me.
Or black.
One more. There we go. We've got buttons down. I wanted to be formal this morning.
It's a new ride for a new rider. Okay, it's not the same ride as the Spider. It's not the same target market, which I'll talk a bit about later.
Color options. Then we have the Epic series, which provides different color options as well, and consumers.
And the shuttle will leave once we're all there, but we can do that somewhat quick.
There we go, that was the classroom session, and now we're all gonna go get geared up and actually ride these things, which I'm excited about. All right, boys and girls, good morning. Sorry for no intro. I woke up, I had a couple hours sleep because we went out last night. Now I'm gonna quickly change. I brought all my gear. I'm gonna be the only guy wearing full gear. There you go, there's some snowcat undies right there. Gonna grab all my camera gear and stuff, and I'll see you guys in the lobby taking the shuttle to go to the Gladstone's restaurant, hop on the bikes, and then we'll start motovlogging. Back on the bus. There we go, the Ryker flags are up. Canadian invasion here of LA. There you go, there's the 62-year-old white male, and then there's the young, hip, cool oh, sorry, the new demographic, I mean.
Yes, you learned your lesson.
I was listening. All right, so which color do I choose? I'm kind of thinking the white one will suit me a little bit right there, boys and girls. That is nice. They have so many. Of course, we're in the Gladstone's parking lot on the PCH here. It's a little misty. The mist will go away. It'll get a little bit warmer, I think. Love it out here. I love it. Of course, from last night, we had this guy here, which was custom painted by the artist there. Really quite cool. Everyone's grabbing their helmets and some gear and stuff. I already brought all my stuff, so I don't need to be over there. So business phone call right here, working hard.
Come on, YouTube.
Yeah, I'm the only YouTuber here, so everyone calls me YouTube, which is funny. They have a bunch of journalists and whatnot, but I am the... How's it going?
I like your leathers. They're very cool.
Thank you. They're from Made in Canada, actually.
Oh, wow.
And can you tell with the flag?
Oh, nice. No, but I like that.
Thank you. On the beautiful PCH coast here, as you can see, we've been here before together, guys, but not like this, so this is really nice. The mist is going away. It's gonna be nice and warm. And I chose, of course, the white bike, so here we go. It's hot as hell. We need to get moving. I think I'm the only guy with leathers, but hey, I like it like that. Oh yeah.
All good?
I think so, yeah.
Get you fired up. We need you up front now.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's...
Tap it. Foot on brake. Foot on the brake. Yep, and then reach your start. Roll up on the throttle.
It needed your magic touch.
And then flip off the parking brake.
Which is over here. Oh yeah. It's so weird, this machine. Like it's gonna be fun today. Make sure the mirrors are set. My first time ever riding a three-wheeler, so we'll see how this goes. How do we get the sport mode? I wasn't listening when they said that. Okay, cool. So that's the intro. I'll wait for these guys to get ready, and then we're gonna just head on out of here, boys and girls. How do I get sport mode? Nice. There we go. Oh yeah, she'll. Oh man, today actually it's gonna be it's gonna be fun. And she moves with a 900. It's just that ATV style. You gotta like really lean in, but you gotta pull in. You can't counter steer. Like, so when you're leaned in, you're pulling in. You're not pushing out. So it's gonna be fun.
Okay, so there.
So boys and girls, welcome to the Canam Ryker. My first time ever riding a three-wheel motorcycle. What's so cool is that there's no clutch, there's no front brake. It's all linked to the rear. So this rear brake, this light takes forever. Let's go. We didn't make it. No, now we're gonna be here forever. There's a Bentley right there, boys and girls.
Guys, kind of bunch up, because when this light turns green, all 10 of us need to go through here, okay? Follow me?
What did I just say? That's funny. So I was worried about the controls being too far forward. I don't like that for stability, but you can actually bring them back. So far, so good. Like I feel like comfortable on it. So that's good. That's really good. Oh, look at the social media, Instagram posts. Mine's really shaky compared to everyone else. Look at this. Okay, well, we'll come back once we get to the more fun piece there, boys and girls. All right, welcome to the beautiful coast. Welcome to the beautiful PCH. And this is different. I am not gonna lie, guys, it's different. It gets the bumps in the road. It kind of tracks weird because the rear tire, you can see kind of like it's hard to keep the bike in a straight line because it's like it kind of gets pulled. It kind of like tracks weird. Definitely not a motorcycle. We can't lane split, so we're stuck in traffic. That lady has her feet up on the dashboard. If the airbag blows, your legs are gone. Crazy. Like, I just don't know what to think right now. It's a crazy experience. But the steering is very, very, what do you call it? Like very, very touchy. Slightest of inputs she wants to turn. But we're going to my favorite road today, Latigo. So that'll be exciting. Man, I'm just like taking it all in. Like, you can grab the tank with your knees, is kind of nice for extra stability. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner. It needs an exhaust, but it's a triple, so it does sound. It should have that whirl, you know, that whirl that we love so much of the triples. This is a 900cc Ryker, Canam Ryker. It's not a Spider Ryker, which I had first thought. So hopefully I look cool on it. I need that cool factor, man. I did get the white version to match my white leathers. That's how lame I am. Alright guys, so we'll see you at Latigo once we're off the PCH here. This is kind of boring. Latigo's way, way better. I could talk about it, get more thoughts about it, and we'll just go from there. She's plucking her hair while she's driving. Welcome to California, man. Look at this bike, man. Look at this bike. Look at this. Man, she's like, she's floppy. Now we're on Latigo. Let's do this. Oh man, this is good. I'm gonna be so tired. It's a lot of work. There's no power steering per se, you know? Like, don't think of it as like as a car. This is more like an ATV, and there's gonna be no power steering. And so now I have to, you know, when I'm leaning, I'm not. When you lean on car steer on a bike, you push. Like, it's a real like mind fuck. But we got a good pace here, so it'll be fun. It's actually really nimble. Oh, there's the VSS kicking in, keeping me stable. I felt that. I just want my my front brake. It feels weird because I have to like use my rear brake, which is all the brakes, and it's a little odd. Yeah, VSS is really making this stable. I could feel like I would expect for it to like kick me out, you know? Oh, that's really well done, man. Like I would expect some understeer, I would expect some like drifting. It's really well done. Let's get, we can pass up here easy peasy. This guy's all over the road though. Might make it a little bit difficult, but we can see all the way here. So right there, it kicks it again on the inside wheel. It really keeps it stable. I'm sure you could turn it all off somehow, but I wouldn't want to, man. This thing is keeps you, like even in sport mode, it keeps you in its limits, because I was definitely curious about how that's gonna happen, right? With the 3-wheel and whatnot. Don't pass there, buddy. But man, like you feel the system working. It's made by Bosch, so only the best, I would assume, from Bosch. And get ready for some views, guys. As you know, Latigo here is gorgeous. Oh, they've got some fencing here. New Aston. Wow. Check it out, boys and girls. Look at that view. It's a good place to pass up here. So he's turning left anyway. Perfect. Thanks for the indicator and early warning. I love it. It's so tiring. Well, riding like this, riding aggressive is tiring. Like my arms are tired. My little pencil arms. I need to lift more, bro. We are just cruising. It's crazy. I'm doing the opposite. I use my hand to push because it's easier to push than it is to pull. Oh man, I remember this road so well. Man, VSS is kicking me in. I can't accelerate nothing. Crossing the double solid. Little naughty snowcat. Man, the system is so good. The tracking's a little weird when it kind of pulls sometimes, and my little pencil arms are tired as hell, man. But it's, I mean,
You guys are awesome.
I mean, come on.
It's great, huh? Yeah, you can.
Scraping his pads, but his head is too high up. Gotta kiss the mirror, boy. So with Canam, they got the Canam boys. They got the photographer right there. We do some motion blur rolling shots now in this corner. That's gonna be pretty good. Here's the rally version we didn't see the other day because it wasn't at the event. So they've got different tires, like a skid plate. It's a little bit taller, different tires, different wheels. You can tell that's the rally as well.